Hello and welcome back. So it's now time to talk about prepositions, and we're gonna start with preposition di, the first one in our order di, a, da, in, con, su, per, tra, e fra. And like I said, prepositions tend to have different usages depending on different context. When it comes to preposition di, we have these four major contexts. There are also others, but I would say these are the main ones: possession, material, topic, and origin. Let's start with possession. So let's grab the sentence. This is Filippo's computer. We're gonna rephrase it. Okay, we're gonna say in English, this is the computer of Filippo. In italiano, it's gonna be questo è il computer di Filippo. Okay. Why did I put apostrophe s and of in the brackets here? Because I wanted to be nice to you and give you this sort of hack. But do not base your knowledge of prepositions on these small hacks. Do not ever think that all prepositions can be summed up with just one straightforward translation. Like I said in the introduction, preposition from in English is translated in different ways in Italian. But anyways, when it comes to preposition di, yes, we can sort of say that at least when it comes to possession, we can associate it to of and apostrophe s. This is Filippo's computer. This is the computer of Filippo. Okay, questo for the record is this. You will receive soon access to the video about this and that, or maybe you could have already get the access to that video. Depends on your schedule, let's say. But this is questo, and then computer is masculine. That's why the article is il, at third person is the verb to be, and di Filippo, of Filippo. Okay. Filippo's favorite movie is Jurassic Park. Let me give you some vocabulary. Favorite is preferito, and movie is film. Which, by the way, is masculine. It's not straightforward masculine because it doesn't end up with O, but trust me, it is masculine. Okay, so come up with the translation of this sentence, please. I will give you some seconds or minutes. Pause this video. When you're done, let's check it out. So the translation is: il film preferito di Filippo è Jurassic Park. The favorite, misspelling, pardon me, preferito, which tend to be put after the noun, film is movie, of the Filippo is Jurassic Park. That's it. Okay. Material. Again, suggestion. You can say the material is often sort of made of. So this table is made of wood. Tavolo is table and legno is wood. Questo tavolo è di legno. Okay. Another case scenario with material is when there is no made of. So when there is a chain of words and one of them describe the material, like plastic glasses. Plastic is the material, and this describes the material of glasses. So there is a small chain of words, and one of them describes the material. In fact, here in between brackets, I wrote no preposition in the middle. So plastic glasses are useful. Glass in singular is bicchiere, singular masculine, and useful is utile. And in fact, the translation is going to be: i bicchieri di plastica sono utili. Okay? I bicchieri glasses of plastica, plastic glasses di plastica sono utili. Okay? So now, give me this one. I want a house made of chocolate, which is an insanely stupid example, but you get the idea. Chocolate is cioccolato. Give you some seconds, a minute, pause this video, and then let's check it out. The sentence is: voglio una casa di cioccolata, made of chocolate. If the sentence was I want a chocolate house, I don't know if it's that even proper English, that would have been the same translation with the sequence of material plus noun, di cioccolata. Still correct. Topic. Even here, we have a scenario when there is nothing is in the middle. For instance, this is a geography book. This is a book of geography, although the meaning is that one. And the geography is a topic that describes the book. So questo è un libro, libro is book, di geografia. Geography, of course, is geografia. Okay, questo è, and not in, pardon me, there is a misspelling here. Let me fix it right away. Questo è un libro di geografia. Libro is singular masculine, book. Geografia is feminine, of course, but the gender doesn't really important. It doesn't really play a role here because we don't put the article. We just throw it after the preposition. Let's carry on with another case scenario under the umbrella of topic scenarios, the topic scenario. When we have this scenario when there is the verb to talk. And why am I telling you this? And here I'm going to put my bold hat big in front of you. Like I said, do not make assumption. You will see another case scenario which has to do with topics with preposition on. Okay? And I will tell you at that time that yes, this is topic scenario, but know when we are using the verb to talk, because when we're using the verb to talk, we use preposition di. In the other case, with preposition on, we're going to use su. You're going to see it very soon, okay? So pay attention here. Like I said, do not make assumptions. Here, we are dealing with a topic scenario, and the sentence is introduced with the verb to talk. So, I want to talk about dinosaurs. Voglio parlare di dinosauri. Okay, so when it comes to topic, we have two scenarios, okay, two context, two possibilities. Number one, nothing in the middle, geography book. To talk involved, the verb to talk is involved, okay, to talk. I want to talk about dinosaurs. To talk is parlare, I want is voglio. You already know at this point, you should know at least how to build verbs with volere, so voglio parlare di dinosauri. Give me this one. This history expert talks, should have written talks, pardon me, what is wrong with me? Sorry about this. As you can see, nobody's perfect, not even me. But like I said, like I was saying, this history expert talks often about dinosaurs. Okay, let me give you some vocabulary here. History is storia, expert is esperto, to talk, like we said, is parlare, and often, depends on how you pronounce it, is spesso. Okay, so we'll give you some minutes, some seconds. Come on with this translation, please. Questo esperto di storia parla spesso di dinosauri. Okay, so in this case, we have two topic scenarios. We have this one, history expert, the one with nothing in the middle, the one where the topic is straightforward, immediately connected to the noun, clarify the expertise of this expert. And the second one is about, which is introduced by the verb to talk. That's why we have questo esperto di storia, history expert, parla spesso di dinosauri, talk about dinosaurs. Often we put it over here. We will talk about adverbs very, very soon. Origin, one that you don't want to mess up with in the future when we see preposition that describes movement from a place. I am from Venice. Sono di Venezia. Okay? I'm from Venice, but I live in Miami. The verb to live is vivere. In Miami, try to guess, throw something, and let's see what you got. I'm from Venice, but I live in Miami. It's going to be Sono di Venezia. Origin, I was born and raised in Venice. Proud Venice boy. Ma vivo a Miami. It is not in, it is a. Why is that? We're going to see it very soon in one of the next videos about prepositions. I really hope you enjoyed that clip. And if you want to watch the full-length video, you can find it in my media library, which is part of my mentoring program. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Now, that being said, in the description box down below, you can find a few useful links to my mentoring program, to some free material, and so on. Have an amazing day, and I will see you very, very soon.